Okay, so this is an electronic file drill or nail drill that I bought through Amazon. And it's sold by Banya Imports. And I wanted to replace my previous nail file because this piece right here had just stopped working. So I tried to replace the cord with it and it didn't work. So then I ordered this new one, and then I realized this has a fuse on the back and I could have just changed the fuse for it, and I didn't do that before. So I bought me a new one. It was only $45.99, but they have a 15% off coupon, so it ended up being like $34, $35. It's really cheap or very inexpensive if you want to work with acrylic nails or just a regular manicure. This will be the machine I would recommend. This one is 30,000 RPMs rotation per minute, or you can get, I believe they also have it on 35 RPMs. But for what I needed it, which is gel that I do on my nails and my regular manicure, this works just fine. So let's get into it. Okay, this machine, like I said, is 30,000 RPMs, and so let me start opening the box over here so I can show you guys what comes in the box. It has instructions, again, for the handheld device, how to open it. You have to twist it from the side to put the tips on them, and this is all the instructions that brings. Then it has a box in here with the handheld part of it, which is this one, and I really like it. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. It actually weighs 5.6 ounces, so it's very lightweight for me. It's a hand piece that's just not it has a good grip too, and I think it's a perfect weight and size for the hand. What I do like about it, it has a stretchy cord right here, and that stretchy cord just helps me reach and it doesn't get tangled, so I appreciate that very much. And it comes very well packaged too. It also has a just to place the handheld or the hand piece, just to put it to rest right here. Let me show you how that goes. So you can put if you put your machine on the side, then you can do this right here. But I also love this machine because it has an additional adapter, which is this one right here that goes on the side of the machine, and then you can put your piece through it and it just works great. Okay, so let's see what else. This is the cable. The power cable is 110 volt or 120 volts, and power is 10 watts. It comes with one nail drill machine, which is this one. It's pink. They had it in different colors. Let me move this aside for just a little bit so y'all can see what I got here. I don't have a lot of space here, so bear with me. Okay, so it has this, it's pink, but they come in different colors, and I'm going to show you. I'm sorry about that, but it comes in white, gold, black, pink, silver, and I believe this is like a tan color. So you can pick that one, pick this one. It has the rotations per minute. This goes from 4,000 to 30,000. So that's why I like it. It goes forward and backwards. So your drill goes one way and then the opposite way. This is to put in your cable. It goes in like this. Okay. And has the plug. I love it that it has these little holes right in here so you can put your drill bits in them. That way they're easy access to, use your machine. You twist it to release, and you put your tips right in here, or your bits. You put the bits in, you lock it in place, and then you work with it. Okay, then the next thing I did like about this, because this is like a kit, it brought also, move this aside, it brought the bits, and these are different sizes of bits. I'm trying to open it, but I think it's taped on the side or something. And this is a brand new, oh, there we go. Okay, so you have a wide variety, and I'm going to zoom in here so you can see them all. From a very thin, it goes all the way to the round tips. This is great for the cuticle. It won't hurt your cuticle as long as you know how to do it. Very gentle. You can use this one also for your cuticle, all the way down, or you can use it for pedicures. So I do like it that it has all the options here. It's pretty cool. Okay, so you have all those bits or drill bits, and it also has a pedal. This pedal is to plug it on the back of the machine, okay? And you can work this with your feet. Now you have to put this on whatever speed you want, put the machine on whatever speed you want, and then your pedal, as soon as you click it, is gonna go that speed, okay? And I really like that. Remember the fuse part I was telling you? Here it is. It also has a foot and a hand button. You can do either or. And it also brings, oh, this is like a little bit of a mess in here. The actual drill bits that you're going to use with sanding bands. These are the sanding bands. So let's see. This is more for polishing. This one is for like your pedicure, cuticle. Bigger one for, this is a finer grit. And let me zoom in here. This is a finer grit for polishing your nails after you've done your manicure. This is a little bit more grip to it, so you can remove either like the gel polish from the toes. It works great. Or if you want to use your sanding bands, you can see there's fine, medium, and coarse. Oops, I'm going to move it. I'm sorry, I was out of focus. Fine, medium, and coarse. And then this is to put your sanding band in. So let's do this one. Goes in like that. And then this goes into the piece. Remove this part. Just put it in there. Lock it in place, and that's it. I am going to turn this machine on. That way you have an opportunity to hear if it's allowed or not, which I have not tested on this machine. So let me plug this in. And I'm going to put this right here. Let me move this. I'm sorry, let me zoom out. Okay, so I have plugged the machine. I am going to turn it on hand because that's where I want it. I am going to turn it on over here. And let's hear it. I have to say it's very quiet. Very quiet. So I do like that about it. Okay, you guys. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, it's free. Until next time.